In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you can pinch your device's display and hit themes at the bottom right away. You can also access Themes app. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the one you wish to choose. I want to pick this one, so you have to click on it, and to continue buy it or hit download. Wherever you decided, wait for apply button to show up, and when it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can access themes again. And this time hit menu at the bottom right corner. Hit my stuff at the top left one. Click on default and tap on apply in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!